In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly remove unwanted objects from photos in Luminar 4. If you've ever had a great shot spoiled by a stray person, a distracting sign, or power lines cutting across the frame, this method gives you a fast, reliable cleanup using a single tool. Start by opening your photo in Luminar 4 and heading to the Edit panel. From the toolbar, choose the Erase tool, or use the shortcut Ctrl+E on Windows or CMD+E on a Mac. This tool is designed to do the heavy lifting for you, so you don't need to set source areas or worry about complex selections. Before painting, adjust the brush size so it's just a bit larger than the object you want to remove. A slightly oversized brush helps cover the entire distraction and gives the software enough context to work with. For long, thin elements like power lines, shrink the brush so it matches the width of the line for a cleaner result. It can help to zoom in for precision and paint in short strokes to keep control over the selection. Now paint over the object you want gone. As you paint, Luminar shows a red overlay indicating the areas you've selected. Aim to cover the object fully and include a tiny margin around it so the edges blend naturally. If you accidentally paint too far, switch to the Deselect brush to subtract from your selection and tidy the edges. When your selection looks good, click Erase. Luminar analyzes surrounding texture, lighting, and shading, then fills the area realistically using nearby pixels. If the first pass isn't perfect, maybe a pattern repeats or an edge looks soft, press Undo, refine your painted area, and click Erase again. Multiple light passes often produce a more seamless finish than one heavy-handed selection. Use Undo and Redo to compare states quickly and decide what looks most natural. If small artifacts remain, reduce the brush size and target only those spots, then erase once more. For busy backgrounds, be patient and precise. Covering exactly what you want removed without grabbing too much of the background helps the algorithm blend more convincingly. That's it. With the Erase tool, you can clean up distractions in seconds, without manual cloning or complex retouching. Practice on a few images to get a feel for brush sizing and selection control, and you'll fly through object removals with consistent, realistic results.